In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download Notion on Windows step by step. Notion is an incredibly powerful all-in-one workspace that lets you take notes, manage tasks, organize projects, and collaborate with your team all in one place. If you're new to Notion or you've only used it in a browser before, installing the desktop app on Windows can make your workflow much faster and smoother. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so make sure you watch till the end. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Windows computer. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, click on the address bar and type in Notion Windows, then press Enter. This will take you to the Google search results page. On the search results, look for the official result that says Notion Desktop App for Mac and Windows. It's important to always download software from the official website to avoid any security issues, so make sure you're clicking the Notion link that leads to Notion.com. Go ahead and click on that result. Now you'll be taken to the official Notion desktop download page. On this page, you'll see options for both Mac and Windows. Since we're installing Notion on a Windows computer, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Once you find it, click on Download for Windows. Your browser will now start downloading the Notion setup file. This usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder or click on the downloaded file from the bottom of your browser. Double-click the Notion setup file to begin the installation process. Windows may ask you for permission to run the installer. If you see a prompt, just click Yes to continue. The installer will now run automatically, and you don't need to configure anything manually. Just wait a moment while Notion installs on your system. Once the installation is complete, Notion will open automatically on your screen. Now it's time to log in. If you already have a Notion account, simply enter your email address and sign in. You can also log in using Google or Apple if that's how your account is set up. If you're completely new to Notion, you can create a free account directly from this screen by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, you'll be taken straight into the Notion desktop app, and you're all set. You can now start creating pages, taking notes, managing tasks, and organizing your work right from your Windows desktop without needing to use a browser. And that's it. That's exactly how to download and install Notion on Windows in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.